Good afternoon everyone, I am Sanya Sinha and today I am going to demonstrate GST registration process step by step. So basically GST registration process can be done on the basis of voluntarily basis or on the basis of threshold limit. So today I am going to demonstrate the GST registration process on the basis of voluntarily basis. So first let's start the process. First, I'll visit the GST portal at www.gst.government.in. And now you will presented with two options here. First one is registration and second one is login. So I'll click on registration. And here there are two options, new registration and temporary reference number. I'll choose temporary reference number as temporary reference number already generated by the process of new registration. So I'll enter the temporary reference number. And next I'll enter the captcha given. I'll click on proceed. So the mobile or email OTP has been sent to the mobile number. So now I have entered the mobile OTP and click on proceed. And here you can see I'll click on action. And now this form has 10 parts and now I'll fill it one by one. So first part is business details. Here I have to mention the trade name. Let's say I have opened a tea stall. So I'll mention the trade name. Next I'll select the constitution of business. There are various constitution of business. और मेरा जो business है वो tea stall का है, so I'll choose proprietorship. So if you have any additional trade name, you can enter it here. Next one is the name of the state. So it is already mentioned Bihar, and the name of the district, I'll select Patna. Next is, are you applying for registration as a casual taxable person? This means that it is a temporary registration. So I'll click on no. Next is opting for composition. Here I'll also click no. Then here is the option reason to obtain registration. There are various reasons. I'll select on the voluntary basis. Next I am entering the date of commencement of business. Next there is indicate existing registration. So here I will choose the type of registration. Next is the document upload. Here I'll upload the document. यहाँ पर एक document upload हुआ है trade name का. And next I'll click on save and continue. Now there is a next part, that is promoter or partners. So I'll fill the details of proprietor. Here you can see that the first name and last name of the proprietor is already feeded. Then next I'll enter the father's name. So now you can see that I have filled the details of the proprietor. Next one is identity of information. So here is the option of the individual as designation, as this is the proprietorship. Next I'll enter the residential address. And I have to enter the document. I have to upload the document. And as you can see here, the document has been uploaded. And next one is other information. Here also signatory, authorized signatory means there is any other person on the behalf of the business who can sign it. So I'll click on no and proceed, save and continue. So I am only the authorized person of the business. So I'll click on the primary authorized signatory. So मेरा गलती हो गया. Next one is other information. Here you can see that it is written here as also authorized signatory. So I will sign it as yes and proceed, save and continue. And I'll tick on the primary authorized signatory as I am the only owner of the business. And as you can see here, यहाँ पर सारे details fill हो चुके हैं automatically. Now I have to enter the document and save and continue. Here you can see the details of authorized signatory. So I don't have to mention anything and proceed on and click on save and continue. Here the next one is the details of principal place of business. Here I have to mention the address of the principal place of the business. So I'll mention it. An address has been uploaded here. Next, the state jurisdiction circle. So I will select the state, circle, ward, charge or unit. Here I will select the Patna South 1 and then I have to select the commissionerate, Patna 1, and here I have to select the division, Patna Central Division. Now I have to select the range, Kankerbagh range. And here I have to upload the document of position of business. Firstly, I have to select the nature. Here you can see that I have to mention the nature of position of business. So I will select it has rented because my position of business position of premises is rented. Now I have to upload the document. So I click on rent agreement and upload the document. Here you can see that the document has been uploaded. And next I have to upload the document of proof of principal place of business. So here I will select the document as electricity bill and upload the document. And here you can see that the principal proof of business as a document has already been uploaded. Then next is nature of business. Here I select the retail business. There are various nature of business. I will select the retail business and click on save and continue. The next part is the principal place of business. So here I'll continue. And here I have to mention the HSN code. So I am here supplying the goods. So I'll mention the good as T. And here I can mention 5 HSN number, maximum up to 5 HSN number, and click on save and continue. Then there is the next part, that is goods and services. Here I don't have to mention anything and click on save and continue. Here you can see that there is an Aadhaar authentication. The Aadhaar authentication has already been done, and now I'll click on save and continue, and the OTP has, and here the verification, that is the verification I have to take, and select the name of authorized signatory and enter the place. And here you can see that you will be presented with two options: submit with DSC or submit with EVC. Here DSC means digital signature and EVC means electronic verification. So I'll select the submit with EVC. And the OTP has been generated and the OTP has been entered, and then our ARN number is generated. That's all about registration process. Thank you.